Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to make my easy savoury muffin recipe with cheese and figs. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you. For this you're going to need butter, eggs, milk, yoghurt, Parmesan cheese, bit of salt, chopped figs, flour, cheese, this is Cheshire but you could use whatever you like, and some black pepper. First thing I'm going to do is to melt some butter. I'm going to put it on the hob on a low heat just so it gently melts. I'm just going to chop this cheese into little square cubes ready to go in the muffins. This is a crumbly cheese. Like with every muffin recipe, you have a bowl with your dry ingredients in and a bowl with your wet ingredients in. Now I'm going to start off with my bowl of dry ingredients and I'm going to put my flour into my bowl. This is salt and this is black pepper. I'm just going to give that a bit of a turn into the flour. Now I'm going to do the wet ingredients. And firstly, I'm going to break my eggs into this big jug. Just giving the eggs a bit of a whisk. And now I'm going to add the yoghurt. Next is the milk. And lastly is the melted butter. You can't see the washing up behind me, can you? It's all tiny in here. Everything's prepped. Now the really easy bit. I'm going to pour this into the flour. Give it a good stir round. Now I'm just going to add the cheese, the Parmesan, and lastly the figs. I'm just going to line my muffin tin with these really pretty little cases. Forever to split these things up. And now I'm just going to fill them. Stop off in the middle, help them sink down. It's supposed to make 12, but I've obviously filled them too much. So we've only got 11. All I've got to do now is put them in the oven at 190 for 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown. Well, that's it, my savoury cheese and fig muffins. I hope you're going to enjoy them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. See you next time. Goodbye. I know.
Love you.
I don't think you do. I forgot what I said last time. That was quite good.
It was.
Move these out of the way.
We shouldn't be munching while I'm filming.
Yeah,
You should be more professional.
I know, right?
I don't get to eat.
Right.
This is not fair.
Very true.
Yeah.
I'm already cheap, darling.
Well, that's it. My savoury fig and cheese muffins is so hard to say.
Muffin.